Hello student, this is class 6 social science chapter 4 first cities part 3rd video. In last video you have learned about the Indus Valley civilization, about the town planning of Citadel and Lower Town, about the society, about the seals, about the Great Bath, about the trade. In this video, we are going to learn about the food, script, dress and ornaments, religion, how the Indus Valley civilization declined, what were the reasons, and about the case study about the Harappan cities in Gujarat, about the Lothal and Dholvira. Now we are going to start from the food and farming. Indus people kept cattle, pigs, sheep, and goats for foods. Cow provided milk and meat. Farmers grew fruit such as dates, grapes, and melons, and field crops such as wheat and barley. To feed people in the cities, Indus Valley farmers had to grow lots of food. They cultivated big fields using their wooden plows pulled by oxen. Farmers made good use of water from the rivers. They sowed seeds after the rivers had flooded the fields. As flood water made the soil rich, they planted different crops for winter and summer. They were probably the first farmers to take water from underground wells. They may have used river water to irrigate their fields. Farmers kept goats, sheep, and pigs, and possibly donkeys and camels. They had chickens too. Indus Valley people ate a healthy diet. People probably ate more fruit and vegetables than meat. The study of the teeth in skeletons shows that men were better fed than women. Most people had healthy teeth. Wheat and barley were the staple food of the people. They were fond of milk, meat, fish, eggs, and fruits. Next is about the script. About the script, the Harappan script was pictographic. The picture, like sign, represent ideas, objects, and words. The script has been engraved on the numerous seals that have been found at all the Indus Valley sites. It is interesting to note that the Indus script has not yet been disappeared, and the script which was found in many sites, they were very important artifacts from Harappa sites and the Indus sites. The seals of Harappa are rectangular in shape. They generally have figures of animals such as tiger, buffaloes, deer, etc. carved on them and have inscription at the top. They were made of stone. Archaeologists have discovered various seals from the sites of Indus Valley civilization. The seal with the figure of a humped bull is very impressive. It shows that the trader used the seals to stamp their goods. The seals provide a lot of information on the life, culture, dress, ornaments, animals, etc. of that period. The Indus Valley civilization script was one of the earliest writing system in India. The script is in symbols and signs. and it is found on different objects used by the people like ornaments, pottery, tools, etc. The following are two ways in which the script provided us with valuable historical information. The script can be found on clay tags that were used for identification of goods. Some of these tags were found in excavations in Mesopotamia region. Hence, we can deduce that trade used to be carried on with other countries during that time to as far as Mesopotamia. From the sign and symbols, historians and archaeologists concluded that the Harappans probably civilized rice and cotton, etc. They may have invented the game of chess too. In simple words, you can understand, students, that script means the writing system. Script means writing systems, and the first writing system was developed by Indus Valley civilization, but the script was in symbol and sign. Understand, students? Next is dress and ornaments. The dress of women's, they used to wear a short skirt. Mostly they used cotton and woolen garments, dhoti and shawl. Archaeologists have discovered a piece of cotton from Mohenjo-daro. The spindles for spinning threads found here indicate that they were produced cotton and woolen textiles. Ornaments such as rings, earrings, necklaces, bangles, headbands for binding hair, etc., made of gold, silver, copper, precious stones, beads, and ivory were used. Both men and women wore jewelry. Women were beauty conscious. They used cosmetics like face paint and different hairstyles. Both men and women kept long hair. Now, next is culture of Indus Valley civilization. What were the culture of Indus Valley civilization? It means that religion. Do you know, students, which religion developed or emerged in those period? Now listen. The chief sources of information about the religious beliefs of the Harappan people are seals. About the religion, we can get information from the seals and the sculptures, which were made of terracotta. The engraving of the bull may imply that bull was considered sacred. A clay figurine of a female shows that they worshipped mother goddesses. The Pashupati seal showing a male figure surrounded by animals is compared to Lord Shiva. They believed in life after death, and they buried food, ornaments, and pets along with the dead. They also had the practice of keeping the ashes or bones in an urn after cremations. They wore lucky charms and amulets to keep the evil spirits away. Okay, students. Next is decline of Indus Valley civilization. How the Indus Valley civilization declined. The Harappan civilization began to decline around 1800 BCE. By about 1500 BCE, most of the cities were disappeared. Different historians have given different reasons for this. Some believe that the cities were destroyed by some natural calamity like earthquake or disease. Some say that floods. Evidence of repeated flooding at Mohenjo-daro indicates that people might have moved to safer areas due to floods. Number third, the river dried up or changed its course and the area became infertile. Some says that might be attacked by foreign invaders. Some says that expansion of desert, decline of fertility and fall in agriculture production. All these factors might have collectively contributed to the decline of this great civilization. The legacy of Indus Valley has nevertheless made us proud. Now, the most important site of those period which we are going to study about the Harappan sites in Gujarat. Firstly, we will see Lothal. Lothal in Gujarat is the most extensively researched Harappan coastal site. Lothal was situated at the head of the Gulf of Khambhat. It was divided into a citadel and lower town. A large warehouse has been found. The region around Lothal was rich in semi-precious stones, an important item of trade. Lothal had a flourishing bead-making industry. The beads were made of terracotta, stone, shell, etc. Significant finds include a brick dockyard connected to the Gulf of Khambhat through a channel. In this dockyard, the ships might have been loaded and unloaded. All these evidences prove that Lothal was involved in overseas trade. Next important site was Dholavira. Dholavira is one of the important Harappan sites located in India. It lies in the island of Kadir, surrounded by Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. It is locally known as Kotada. The city has three parts: a citadel, a middle town enclosed within high walls with gateways, and the lower town not enclosed within a wall. The rulers of Dholavira lived in the citadel, the rich in the middle town, and the ordinary people in the lower town. The citadel had an open space where public functions might have been held. Dholavira is a significant archaeological site located in Kutch district of Gujarat. It is famous for being the largest Indus Valley site in India, which dates back to 4500 years ago. It was excavated in 1990. The most noticeable thing about Dholavira is that instead of bricks, the buildings are made of stones. Unlike other Harappan cities, Dholavira is divided in three parts with great stones wall all around. For going from one part to another, there are gateways. There is a big open space in the city which is perhaps used for public functions. The city had the world's earliest and excellently planned water conservation system. It had a sophisticated system of reservoirs and channels to store rainwater as well as water diverted from a rivulet nearby. The most remarkable archaeological discovery here is a large inscription with 10 letters of Harappan script carved out of a white stone and set on a wooden board. While all the artifacts with Harappan script at other places are small in size, Dholavira has perhaps the world's first signboard having inscription writing in ancient Indus script. These are the two important sites of Indus Valley civilization which are very remarkable. Okay students, thank you.